Welcome to our video where we delve into the topic of rice consumption for individuals with diabetes. Many people with diabetes often wonder about the right way to incorporate rice into their diets without compromising their blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll explore common misconceptions about rice, discuss how individuals with diabetes can safely consume rice, and provide practical tips for optimizing their diet. Whether you're new to managing diabetes or seeking to refine your dietary choices, this video aims to provide valuable insights and guidance. Join us as we navigate through the nuances of rice consumption and diabetes management. 1. Consuming excessive amounts of rice in a meal can lead to elevated blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with diabetes. Rice, particularly white rice, is high in carbohydrates, which are broken down into glucose during digestion. When consumed in large quantities, these carbohydrates cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, whose bodies struggle to regulate blood sugar effectively, this spike can be problematic. The glycemic index, GI, of rice, which measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood glucose levels, varies depending on the type of rice. White rice typically has a high GI, meaning it can cause a quicker and higher increase in blood sugar compared to other types like brown or basmati rice, which have lower GI values. However, regardless of the type of rice, consuming too much of it at once overwhelms the body's ability to manage glucose levels efficiently. To manage blood sugar effectively, individuals with diabetes should focus on portion control and consider alternatives such as brown rice or quinoa, which have lower GI values and provide more fiber and nutrients. Pairing rice with protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables can also help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and mitigate the impact on blood sugar levels. By being mindful of portion sizes and choosing lower GI options, individuals can enjoy rice as part of a balanced diet without compromising their health. 2. Choosing the right type of rice is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as it can significantly impact blood sugar levels. White rice, compared to brown or unpolished rice, brown rice has a higher glycemic index. The glycemic index measures how quickly a particular food raises blood sugar levels after consumption. White rice is processed and polished, which removes the outer layers where most of the fiber and nutrients are found. This processing results in a higher glycemic index, meaning it can cause blood sugar levels to spike more rapidly after eating. For people with diabetes, these rapid spikes in blood sugar can be problematic because they challenge the body's ability to regulate glucose effectively. On the other hand, brown rice or unpolished rice retains its outer bran and germ layers, which are rich in fiber and nutrients. This higher fiber content slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels after a meal. Therefore, brown rice or other whole grains are generally recommended over white rice for individuals with diabetes, as they help maintain more stable blood sugar levels and provide additional nutritional benefits. Making this simple swap can contribute significantly to better blood sugar management and overall health for those managing diabetes. 3. A balanced diet that includes sufficient fiber and protein is crucial for individuals managing diabetes, particularly when consuming rice. Fiber and protein play key roles in moderating the absorption of carbohydrates from rice, thereby helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Fiber, found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like brown rice, slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This gradual release prevents sudden spikes in blood glucose levels after meals. Soluble fiber, in particular, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that can trap sugars and slow their absorption into the bloodstream. Protein also contributes to stabilizing blood sugar levels by enhancing satiety and slowing down the digestion process. Combining rice with lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes can further mitigate the impact of rice on blood sugar. Protein-rich foods take longer to digest, which helps to sustain energy levels and prevent rapid fluctuations in glucose levels. Incorporating adequate fiber and protein into meals not only supports better blood sugar control but also promotes overall health by providing essential nutrients and promoting feelings of fullness. It's important for individuals with diabetes to consult with healthcare providers or dietitians to tailor their diets appropriately and ensure balanced nutrition for effective diabetes management. To safely and effectively incorporate rice into their diet, individuals with diabetes should consider several key strategies. First and foremost, choosing the right type of rice is crucial. Opting for brown rice or other whole grain varieties over white rice is advisable because they have a lower glycemic index. This means they cause a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar levels compared to white rice, which can spike blood glucose more quickly. Secondly, portion control is essential. Managing the amount of rice consumed in each meal helps regulate carbohydrate intake, which directly impacts blood sugar levels. Measuring rice portions and balancing them with non-starchy vegetables and lean proteins can create a more balanced meal that is less likely to cause sharp increases in blood glucose. Additionally, pairing rice with foods high in fiber can further mitigate its impact on blood sugar. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, legumes, and salads can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates from rice, promoting better blood sugar control. 1. Choosing brown rice over white rice can be beneficial, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Brown rice, also known as whole grain rice or brown rice, differs significantly from white rice in terms of its nutritional composition and impact on blood sugar levels. Firstly, brown rice has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice. The glycemic index, GI, measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI release glucose into the bloodstream more slowly and steadily, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as stable blood sugar levels contribute to better overall health and reduced risk of complications. Secondly, brown rice contains more fiber and nutrients than white rice because it retains its outer bran layer and germ, which are removed during the processing of white rice. These components, especially fiber, help slow down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, further contributing to a lower GI and more stable blood sugar levels after meals. Moreover, brown rice is generally less processed than white rice, which means it retains more of its natural vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play important roles in overall health and can support better glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. 2. Measuring rice portions. Limiting the amount of rice in each meal is crucial to avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Rice, particularly white rice, has a high glycemic index, meaning it can cause rapid increases in blood glucose levels after consumption. To mitigate this effect, it's recommended to carefully measure rice portions. The American Diabetes Association suggests starting with about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of cooked rice per meal, which equates to approximately 15-30 grams of carbohydrates. This portion size can vary based on individual carbohydrate tolerance and overall meal composition. By controlling the quantity of rice consumed, individuals with diabetes can better manage their blood sugar levels throughout the day. Additionally, pairing rice with sources of fiber and protein, such as vegetables, lean meats, or legumes, can help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream. This approach promotes more stable blood sugar levels post-meal, reducing the risk of hyperglycemia. 3. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and fiber-rich foods into meals plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with diabetes. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet provides essential nutrients without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli, are excellent choices due to their low glycemic index and high fiber content. Similarly, fruits like berries, apples, and citrus fruits offer natural sweetness and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar levels. Moreover, fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, like brown rice and whole wheat, legumes, like beans and lentils, and nuts, seeds, like chia seeds and flax seeds, are beneficial additions. They contribute to prolonged feelings of fullness and aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. By incorporating these foods into meals and snacks, individuals with diabetes can create balanced and nutritious eating patterns that support optimal blood sugar control and overall health. Consulting with a healthcare professional or dietitian can provide personalized guidance on incorporating these foods into a diabetes management plan. 4. Adjusting your diet under the guidance of a physician is crucial for effectively managing various health conditions, including diabetes. The most important aspect lies in adhering to the recommendations of both nutrition experts and doctors to tailor your diet to your specific needs. This tailored approach ensures that dietary adjustments consider factors such as individual health goals, existing medical conditions, medication interactions, and lifestyle factors. Nutritionists and doctors collaborate to create personalized dietary plans that account for the carbohydrate intake, glycemic index of foods, portion sizes, and timing of meals, all critical for stabilizing blood sugar levels in diabetics. They may recommend incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, while limiting sugars and processed foods. Regular monitoring and adjustments based on health outcomes and feedback are also part of this process to ensure ongoing effectiveness and health improvement. By following these tailored dietary guidelines, individuals with diabetes can better manage their condition, enhance overall well-being, and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. As we conclude our exploration of common misconceptions about rice and practical tips for individuals with diabetes, it's clear that informed dietary choices play a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels effectively. By debunking myths and highlighting strategies tailored for diabetics, we hope this video has empowered you with valuable insights. Remember, choosing whole grains like brown rice, controlling portion sizes, and balancing meals with fiber-rich vegetables can contribute to better blood sugar management. For personalized advice, consult a nutritionist or healthcare provider to tailor your eating plan to your unique needs. Stay informed and proactive about your health journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips on navigating diabetes and dietary choices. Together, let's strive towards healthier lifestyles and optimal well-being. Thank you for watching.